Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to make a Game Pass and please donate. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to roblox.com. On Roblox, select Create on the upper left. Once you're now here, head on over to Experience. And then look for any experience that you have made. Then on the thumbnail, tap on the three dots. And then in here, select Create Badge. Then in here, select Associated Items. Then go to the overview of your experience. Go back to Associated Items this time on the left corner, and then in here, you will see a button that says Passes. Here are examples of the passes that I have already made. I will now select one, and then head on over to Sales. Then in here, I will turn on Item for Sale. Then I will give it a price in Robux. Once I'm satisfied with the price, I will now select Save Changes. And then pass update successfully. Roblox should give you that prompt. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.